I am not worthy, O Lord. I am not worthy, my Lord. I am not worthy even to mention your name. I am not worthy, Jehovah. I am not worthy, Omega. I am not worthy even to mention your name. I am not worthy, O Lord. I am not worthy, Omega. I am not worthy even to mention your name. I am not worthy, Ezemo. I am not worthy, Omega. I am not worthy even to mention your name. I am not worthy, Jesus. Ezemo, I am not worthy, Omega. I am not worthy even to mention your name. Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I am Confidence, a mommy vlogger based here in Abuja, Nigeria. If today is your first time seeing my pretty face, you're highly welcome. Please relax and enjoy this video. And for my returning subscribers, may God bless each and every one of us wherever you're watching me from. So in today's video I want to talk to our mothers. If you're a single mother, if you're a mother with a family, with your husband, this video is for you. And if you're a man, you are also needed in this video. Yes. So basically, to our parents, our mommies in diaspora, our mommies that is not living in Nigeria, and to our mothers that is also living in Nigeria, this video is for you. I really want to talk to us. I really want us to know some things about spiritual that we can do for ourselves, our children, and our husband, basically. You know, oftentimes people wait until things start spoiling. That's when they will look for solution. Some things you do spiritually, it doesn't stop you from praying to God Almighty. Even as I'm talking to you now, I don't joke with my prayers. You see, that's my spiritual mother. She's a Muslim. She's a Yoruba woman, but a Muslim. But as I'm talking to you today, she's fasting. She's doing a spiritual something, doing a traditional something, but she's fasting. That's to show you that even in this work, she doesn't neglect her God. She doesn't neglect her Creator. But all of us, some of us that is always carrying church on our head, is misquoting the spiritual work. They misunderstood everything. Now, what brought me to today's video is that if you just marry new, if a man has engaged you, and you both love each other, most especially those in diaspora, those in abroad that is not living in Nigeria, that another woman can come and take the man at any time. It is just like a war zone. You are not sure of that. Work on that person. If you're working on that person, that doesn't mean that you're going to like cage that person to the extent that that person will not know his or her right. You are going to work on that person to the extent that you people will understand each other. And as you are doing that, you are not doing that in order for you to start maltreating the man, or for you to show the man that he has power more than him. Because the moment you start showing that kind of character, your work will spoil instantly. The work you did for that man will spoil instantly. And for those of us that has children that doesn't listen to us in diaspora, do not wait until they start growing big to the extent they will not listen to you. Do not wait until that will happen. Work on your children. You see that your neighbor children, that his own children is behaving so calm, so gentle, so this. Do not call it grace. That person work on his children. You're not working on your children in order to tie your children's destiny. No. You are working on your children to bring their mind, their brain, their everything down. Children of nowadays, even if they don't want to spoil, friends out there, we possess them. Friends out there, we mislead them. What do you have to do as a mother, the strongholder? Do you know that the father is the head of the family, but you are the neck? Without the neck, there is no head. Without the neck, there is no head. That's why I said initially that this video is for the mothers. If you're a single mother, pay attention to this video. If you're a mom staying with your husband and your family, this video is for you, for all of us as a mother. Even if you are a mom to be, you have engaged they have not paid your bride price yet, but you are living with a man in his house, or your house. This video is also for you. Don't wait until things start spoiling. In Igbo language, they say they used to pursue goats when daytime is still bright, like when day is still bright, because when night falls, everything will become dark. Eji efifi atụ ewu oji, because tiji hanchani na awu oji, ị ga amazi nke be ewu oji. For those your children that is living in abroad, the way we in Africa treat our children is different from the way you people treat your children in abroad. What do you have to do? It's a secret I'm leaking to you people. A lot of people, you will see your neighbor children behaving so simple, behaving so calm, gentle. They don't put dread on their head. They don't barb one kind hair. They don't do this, they don't do that. But yours is doing it and making you to talk all the time. Every time you're just angry because of this one did this one do that one, and they still yet they will not care to tell you, mom is sorry. Start earlier stage to work on your children. Protect them. Guide them spiritually. Guide them spiritually. That is your work as a mother. We women, we are stronger than men, both spiritually and physically. It is only when we are angry we run our mouths like tap. But when it comes to endurance, we can endure more than men. When it comes to being spiritually powerful, we are spiritually powerful than men. So now, what you need to do in your family, you have to be the strongholder, the one that will guide and protect the whole family. After God is you, the woman in the house. After God is you, the woman in the house. Your children, protect them. Your husband, protect them. Your life as well, protect them. A lot of people, when I tell them to do a protection work for their family, they will be like confident. What is protection work? Protection work is very, very necessary in every home. It is also different from you when you want to do work for your children in order to make them to just behave the way they needed to behave had it been there in Nigeria, whereby you can spankle your child anytime he or she misbehaves. But the reverse has been the case, that you people that is in abroad, you cannot shout at your children, you cannot beat them, you cannot, just something like that. Protect them, guide them spiritually. That your husband, and you're in war zone, he can misbehave at any time. He can see anybody at any time and just quit you. Your own talk will be smelling, your mouth will be smelling. Your mouth that has not been smelling will start smelling. He will start seeing you like a trash. Work on him. That bond that is between you and your husband, protect it. Guide it. Do not allow it to broken. Do not allow it to broken. That should be your priority as a woman. That should be your work in that house, to protect your children and your husband. After God is your husband. Me, I call my own God, Lord. I call my husband Lord. I worship him like my own Lord. I call my husband Lord. I worship him also. So you as a woman, control whatsoever that is happening there. Protect it spiritually and physically. Do not allow any evil or any bad thing to enter inside your home. Do not allow anything bad to enter your home. Don't just stay inside the water and soap will be entering your eyes. Wake up, wake up. If you are sleeping, wake up. This is not diabolic, this is not fetish. And for those of you that will come and tell me, oh, are you trying to let them to practice witchcraft? If I pray for you, you'll be suffer. Avoid my channel. Avoid my channel. Enemy, we walk. Oh. Avoid my channel. Avoid my channel. If you are watching me in order to learn one or two things in this channel, good and fine. But for you to tell me maybe I am teaching people to practice witchcraft and all that, avoid this channel. Baby, you can go back to your pastor. You have every freedom to choose whosoever you want to watch. I refuse to be in a religious bondage. I am doing what my father asked me to do. I am doing what I know how to do best. We ladies, protect whatsoever that belongs to you before another person that is wiser will take it away from you, and they will come back and be crying confidence. This is what happened. I will listen to you at that time. Do the best thing right now when you still have the time. Your children, protect and guide them spiritually. Your husband, protect them. Do a protection work all over your house, all over your household. Let's see who will come and send something, any evil arrow to your house. Let's see how it will affect you people. Let's see how it will affect you people. Everything is not come and be do this one and do this one the easiest way. Say if I say anything easiest way, I will see how the views will pack. But when it comes to something that is very, very serious and genuine that you can do for yourself, because you are going to spend 1 naira or 2 naira from it, you will run away. You are doing yourself. You are not doing me. Please, my darlings, my mommies, Biko, let's protect what belongs to us before another person that is wiser, the eyes is more open than us, our own, now take what belongs to us. Can you hear it, Tabiri? And I will see you in my next video. But for now, you know how we are going to do. Remember, stay safe. Bye. Take care. Bye. I love you guys. Bye.